Good morning, y'all. So apparently this was delivered last night, y'all, at 8 p.m. I had no idea. But I woke up this morning, it's currently 6 a.m., and I saw that it had been delivered, and I'm like, what do you mean? What do you mean? So I opened my door, and sure enough, this beautiful, beautiful package was waiting for me. I am so excited to get this package, y'all. And I thought I would go ahead and open this on camera. I know I have so many bead hauls, but you guys are first witness to my bead addiction, so we're gonna open this together. So, it's so substantial. All right, let's break into this. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Let me, I don't want to spoil anything. I'm so excited about this one, y'all. You have no freaking idea. I really wanted to get several bags of these because once stuff sells out, y'all, it's gone. But I wanted to, get a look at it in person before I did that. But if I really like those, I'm definitely going to order more. Let's just open these one by one together. I have to hurry though. I'm doing this before work. But y'all, there's no way. I know I got this giant package. Excuse me, this giant package. There's no way I'm gonna wait until after work to open this. It's right here. I have time. We're gonna do this. Oh, cute. Okay, this is some Tiana beads. I thought these were so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love that. Let's see. This is, oh my god, some pretty clear beads. Oh my god, I saw these. I thought they were so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, how pretty are those? So freaking cute. See what else do we have in here? Oh, some Marie cats. I love Marie, y'all. Anytime I see Marie, I have to get it. I'm so weak. I'm gonna have so many bracelets to make, y'all. It's not even funny. Bracelets and keychains. Like, I know I'm doing a lot of like shopping and opening right now instead of a lot of doing, but y'all just wait. I swear, I'm kind of stocking up right now. Look, Sailor Moon. I'm an absolute sucker for Sailor Moon too. It reminds me a lot of my childhood, Sailor Moon. I had a good childhood friend who really liked Sailor Moon, and I didn't really care for it as much as she did, but it's just something that we always did together. So it kind of, anytime I see Sailor Moon, it just reminds me of my childhood, and I get that warm fuzzy feeling, So by extension, I really like Sailor Moon just because it reminds me of my childhood. Some cute, adorable green, I don't know, leopard cats. I thought this one was kind of random, but I'm a sucker for cute things, especially with eyelashes. So I just had to get these. I'll find something to do with these, even though the color I feel like is a little bit random, but she's just too cute. She's just too cute. Sometimes I don't really like the random like animal ones if it's just a random, animal, but these are Powerpuff Girl tags. I actually got, when I was doing my Whatnot shopping spree, someone had Buttercup and Blossom, and I'm like, where's Bubbles? And it drove me insane. So when I saw them offering this, I'm like, I have to get this. I have to, because I don't have Bubbles. I have Blossom and Buttercup, but not Bubbles. So now the collection is complete. We have all three sisters now. Plus, I just love Powerpuff Girls, so that's just, a non-starter. Let's see, hold on. We got Moana, because I got a, one of my, somebody I bought from on Whatnot gave me a free Hey Hey and Pua focal, and I'm like, dang, well, we need Moana, so I went ahead and snatched these up so that I can make a complete keychain out of that, and plus Moana's just cute, and I have a lot of seashell stuff, so I'm like, we'll be able to use these, no problem. These adorable bunnies, oh my god, how cute. Look at her little blush, y'all. I just thought that was so absolutely adorable. I had to snatch that up. My camera won't focus. How cute is that? Oh my god, I just had to get those. I didn't get them the first time they showed them because I'm like, I don't need it, but they were just too cute. We got some Bingo. Y'all, I'm looking for a Bluey. Like, they didn't have Bluey. I'm like, dang, I got Bingo, but not Bluey. But I went ahead and snatched these up because I absolutely love Bluey. So I'll have to keep on the lookout and try to find some Bluey. Oh, Powerpuff Girls. Yes, anything Powerpuff Girls I will get, because again, that's one of my childhood shows. Absolutely. Let's see what else is in here. Y'all, I got a lot of stuff. Don't judge me. Oh, it's a big bag. What is this? Oh, yes, my Sailor Moon, y'all. Yes, look at that, y'all. These were so gorgeous. Oh my god, I was so excited to get this. Look how cute the Sailor Moon. Got some pendants in here. I'll open this up later once I make a video. Everything I make, I will film, y'all, and it will be a video. But for now, I'm just gonna show you through the bag. We'll get a closer look at it when I have my creation video. But oh my god, I just thought these were so pretty. I'm so excited to get these. So stinking excited. I cannot wait, y'all. Can't wait. I wish this bag side was clear so you could see inside of it better. That's that. All right, what else we got in here, y'all? I have so much stuff. So these were just not super exciting, but these are just some beads. You always need accent beads, like I said. These are just to embellish the main focals. So always need a lot of these. So I got some hearts. What else we got? I got some stars as well. Yep, there's some stars. Very pretty. Nothing too exciting, but That'll work. What else we got? Oh yes, I got a big bag of these. Oh my gosh. How stinking gorgeous. Absolutely love these. I don't know what these are, but they're like, they're better quality than like, I don't know. If you ever get some beads, you can tell like the finishes on the surface. These are like actually within the bead or something. They just look so much prettier and so much better quality. I think these are resin beads maybe. I think they said they were. But y'all, how freaking gorgeous are these? Good God, I can't get over it. I'm so excited to get these. So excited to get these because I had a small amount of these from someone from Whatnot who sold mixed bags, and I was like, I gotta find these beads. They're such good quality, y'all. I was so excited to get this. I'm gonna open up this bag, and if I am in love with this as I think that I would be, I'm gonna tell them, can you please give me some more? Because look how gorgeous these are. I wish I could I just don't want to open it right now, you guys, because I got to put all these beads up. I don't want to have to try to clean all these beads up. But you see how pretty this is? How gorgeous these are? And if you look inside the shells, I know this is hard to see because this is in the way, but the inside of the shell is painted. I just thought this mix was so pretty. There was another YouTuber who was, showing me where she got these beads, and when she told me she got these, I'm like, I have to find these beads, so I found them. So thank you to her for, sharing her bead hauls and showing me what's out there, because how freaking gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness gracious. I know I'm gonna move on, but I'm trying to show you guys just how pretty these are. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to make stuff with that. I'm gonna have to tell him to get me another bag before it'll sell out. And now last but not least, I have this bag of mixed crackle beads. I thought these were so pretty, but my main thought when I saw this is these kind of match those butterfly. Remember that butterfly haul I have a couple videos back? The 300 beautiful butterfly beads. If you notice, these are the same color as those butterflies. I thought that was so weird. I'm like, I need these for those butterflies. You got the purple and the pink. You got the pink and the yellow. You got the green, the soft teal. I'm like, this matches those, and I also got the purple, the kind of purpley colors. It's not really showing up that well on the camera, but here, yeah, you can see this one. These are all the exact same colors as the butterflies. I'm like that is so uncanny. I thought that was so interesting and strange. So I'm like, I have to get these. I can use these with all those butterflies. So that's what that is. And that is this for the first box. I have 2 or 3 more boxes coming from the seller. I know for a fact I have 2. I think, hold on, 1. No, it's 3, y'all. It's 3. And I was trying to stop, y'all. I was trying to stop and cut it off, but of course, they showed me something I was really looking for, the specific Pop-Up Girl mix. And of course, as soon as I closed my final basket, they post that, and I'm like, oh my God. So I think I might have a 4th. I just opened up a new basket, so it's whatever. But I just gotta get that shop going to gotta get that shop made so that I can support this bead addiction. But thank you guys so much for watching. I just had to share that. When the other one gets here, I will let you guys know. So stinking excited. I think that one will be here, I guess, in another week. It'll probably be a week behind each other. So yep, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.